Evangeline D. Imani versus Metrobank and Trust Company, GR number 187023, November 17, 2010. The facts of the case. Imani signed a continuing suretyship agreement in favor of Metrobank with six other co-sureties binding themselves to pay whatever indebtedness CP Dazo Tannery Incorporated or CPDTI incurs, but not exceeding 6 million pesos. CPDTI incurred an indebtedness around 164,000 pesos, to which it defaulted in paying Metrobank. This prompted Metrobank to file a collection suit against CPDTI and its sureties. Metrobank won, and the sheriff levied a property owned by Imani and filed to consolidate the title to its name. Imani opposed, stating that it is part of her conjugal property. The RTC ruled in favor of Imani, reasoning that the loan proceeds never redounded to the benefit of the family of Imani. RTC annulled the sale and levy. Metrobank appealed, and the CA reversed the decision of the RTC. The issue: whether or not the CA erred in reversing the decision of the RTC. The ruling: no. All property of the marriage is presumed to be conjugal. However, for this presumption to apply, the party who invokes it must first prove that the property was acquired during the marriage. Proof of acquisition during the coverture is a condition sine qua non to the operation of the presumption in favor of the conjugal partnership. Thus, the time when the property was acquired is material.